Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to use the function keys on your Microsoft Surface Studio 2. So the function keys are located in the top row of your device's keyboard, and they are divided into the primary and secondary functions. You can switch between these two modes by pressing the FN button. If you see the LED indicator glowing in the top right corner of your FN button, that means that you are currently using the primary function keys, and if it's not, then you are using the secondary functions. So if you enable the primary functions, then these functions are pretty much the same for each keyboard, only differentiating between different programs that you might use with them. So for example, if you press F1 in this mode, it will most probably call out the help menu for your application. F5, which is right here, will reload or refresh the page. F11 will open your application in full screen mode, and F12 is frequently used to open developer tools in browsers. Now, if you use secondary functions, then F1 serves for enabling or disabling your microphone in certain applications that you have opened on your device. F2 will mute or unmute your speaker. F3 and F4 respectively decrease and increase your speaker's volume. F5 adjusts keyboard backlight. F6 decreases your display brightness, and F7 of course increases it. F8 is the print screen button, which will open the capture menu on your screen. F9 replaces the home button. F10 is used as the end button. F11 and F12 are page up and page down buttons respectively. And we also have the del button that can be switched with insert button on your computer. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.